Welcome back for another video, guys. So, with the new recruit, the defenseman Teemu Kivihalme, um, from the Finnish league TPS Åbo, that concludes our defense side. Now we just need, I think it's 2 more forwards, and we're good to go. Let's look. So we got 7 defensemen plus a junior defenseman to cover, and then we have 3, 6, 9. We have 11 forwards at the moment. We would need probably 13 or 14 forwards, but one of those could be a junior player, so probably 2 more recruits on the forward side, and then we're set. So yeah. And also the preseason has been set, so look at back here. Preseason will start with a preseason game on the 15th of August versus Kristianstad IK, and then 17th of August versus Färjestad BK, and then 22nd of August versus Linköping HC. These are all different places: Kristianstad, Borås, and in Värnamo. And then 24th of August we'll go to Karlskrona to face IK Oskarshamn. And then there's a practice tournament in Norway from 1st to 2nd of September. And then the final, sort of like final practice game where we should be ready for the season is on the 9th of September versus KV71 in Jönköping. And for the season, we have the home series premiere is versus Frölunda on the 21st of September, and then Saturday game versus Färjestad, 23rd of September, and then we have the newly promoted team Modo on the 30th of September, and then the game versus the reigning champions on the 28th of October. Then we have the derby game. The derby games at home, I believe. Yeah, these are all home games. So derby game on the 26th of November and 24th of February next year. These are both the home derby games. The season actually starts with an away game. Let's go to September. Yeah, so it starts with an away game versus our rivals. So it starts with a derby game. So we start with Rögle, Växjö, and Frölunda, and then Färjestad. That's a very, very tough start. Tough opponent, tough opponent, tough opponent, tough opponent. I would say Örebro is also a tough opponent. The first 5 games, wow. Yeah, we have a tough start to the season, judging by the teams we're facing. And then in October, yeah, I mean, there's no easy game, and it's more true than ever for us this coming season. But yeah, so and that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Just an update on the off season and how it's going, and the rebuilding of the team. So I'll see you in the next one.